love shopping, and today's video is next level fun. Not only have I partnered with FabFitFun to receive one of their fabulous summer 2025 boxes, but I was also able to get one for my daughters. Summer 2025 boxes are also extra special because it celebrates their 50th box. Not only is that a fun milestone to hit, but it's a testament to how much people enjoy shopping these. They have done this 50 quarters in a row. How cool. Before I ever got my first FabFitFun box, my best friend Gentry had a subscription, and she was telling me how fun it was to get Happy Mail every season. Not only do you get the excitement of shopping and getting something delivered right to your door, but you have the element of surprise because you get to pick 6 different items from a curated selection. And I think it's super fun that you get to make sure it's items that you want, but you have the element of surprise because you don't know what the offerings are going to be. Once I saw how much she enjoyed it, I was excited to try it for myself, and let me tell you, I totally get it. FabFitFun is a lifestyle subscription box that comes out 4 times a year, one for every season, and it includes 6 full-size products from top brands in beauty, fashion, wellness, home, and more. And the best part, it's completely customizable. You get to pick out every single item in your box to make sure it fits you and your lifestyle. To really show how flexible it is, I got one for myself and one for my teenage daughters. We all know that teenagers aren't going to want the same things that a 37-year-old mom is, but we are both happy with the selections and the products that we could choose from. FabFitFun has something for everyone, no matter your style or your season of life. And the fun doesn't stop with just the box. Members get access to the shopping club. The shopping club is basically a secret sales section where you can shop exclusive member-only flash sales and snag deals from brands like Prada, Glossier, Free People, Coach, and Fenty Beauty up to 70% off. You can even swap your box for shop credit if you'd rather just shop for you want directly. It's your membership, your way. I can't wait to show you the items I selected. There's so many great items, and you'll be shocked when you see what the value was versus how much the box cost. And after my box, you'll see my teenage daughter's box. If you want in on the excitement of a FabFitFun box, I have some promo codes, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. After the unboxing, and I'll give you all the details. I would say let's start with a favorite, but it's hard to pick a favorite because they're all that good. And I'm not just saying that, I'm excited about every single item in here. First, let's go with a summer must-have. I got a vegan sunscreen. This SPF 30 lotion is from Basque, and it has a retail value of $22. And the cool thing is I get to try this brand and see how it works without having that $22 investment. We have some skin sensitivities in my house, so I'm excited to have this in the car and on the go because it's paraben and sulfate free, it's vegan, it's antioxidant enriched. I think this is gonna be great for all skin types, and I'm excited to give it a try. This will be in my car and with us all summer. Next, I even got a few things for the kitchen. You guys know I love to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. I like to make food. I like to eat food. And this, I was surprised to see something like this in here, but I'm very excited I snagged it. This is from Year and Day. First of all, I love the color. It's gonna look great in my kitchen, but it is a spoon rest. It came really nicely packaged, and I love how gorgeous it is. And it's gonna be something pretty that I will use every single day, whether I am stirring marinara or putting my spatula down from flipping pancakes. This will get daily use. It is nice and smooth, and Year and Day had a few different things I could have selected, so you could add to a collection as you're ordering your items. I think they had a salt cellar. I didn't pick that, but it would have looked really nice and complimentary. So I think it's really nice that you can curate a box and get lots of different variety, or you could get things that kind of match. And every single quarter, you don't know what your offerings are gonna be. So there's the excitement and the great item. The retail value on this spoon rest was $36, but again, I didn't pay $36 for it. Speaking of kitchen items, I got these, which I'm very, very excited for. Ribbed glasses. This is beautiful blue ribbed glasses. There's a 2-pack, and you guys know I regularly have iced coffee, iced tea. My daughter Elsie likes to make beautiful, fun mixed drinks. I mix electrolytes and sparkling water regularly. And you know what makes a delicious drink taste better? A beautiful cup. Look how beautiful these are. It's like a flower shape is what it reminds me of. It's so beautiful, and pretty much after I make this video, I'm gonna wash this out and use it because it's gorgeous. I will be having my electrolyte water in this tonight, I can guarantee you. Not only will I stay hydrated, but I have cute glassware to help me. I love it. These are mom's cups. On top of being really well packaged, I'm just a sucker for really cute packaging. Like, look how cute that is. This was my most expensive retail value item. These were $79. Do you think I paid $79? No. Just wait till you see what this box cost. We also have this, which I could use to scare my children or to take care of my skin, which is probably what I should do with it. It's a cryo or thermotherapy mask. This is from the Skincare Tools. So it has these Velcro straps on the back. It has a really nice soft edge that touches your face. And then there are these gel beads. You can microwave this for about 10 seconds if you want heat on your face, or you can refrigerate it or freeze it. And it's recommended that you put this on a clean face right before you do your makeup, or if you want to relax. It can help with inflammation and really just give you a nice relaxing 10 to 15 to 20 minutes, depending on what you have. I look forward to putting this on after I wash my face at night, or even in the morning before I put my makeup on. It's just gonna help your skin not be inflamed and be nice and relaxed before you put your makeup on. If you went to the Skincare Tools and bought this mask, it's $60. But I didn't pay $60 for this. It was part of my box. And wait till you see how much the box was. I was really excited to select this because I wanted to get a visor like this, and when I saw this selection from the Beach Riot, instantly I had no other choice to make. I was excited. It has a Velcro closure at the back, and it gives you a really nice large brim. So as I am sitting out with my kids at the pool, or we do go to beaches, we live here in Michigan, lakes are everywhere. If I'm on a boat, it gives me really great coverage. I'm not gonna get a sunburn on my face when I'm wearing this, and it's super cute. I could have my hair up in a ponytail, and it's gonna be nice and breathable without wearing a hat that's gonna also make my head very hot. This is gonna be adorable and give me sun protection. This straw visor from the Beach Riot, if bought on its own, would be $78, but not in my box. Speaking of summertime outdoor fun, my final selection was this Turkish towel, and I was excited to get this because if you ever have seen advertisements for Turkish towels, things like sand just shake off of them, and when you go to Michigan beaches, there is sand everywhere. This will be in my car as well because we have a beach right down the road from us. We take sand toys, we take books, and we just go there and read, especially with my 8-year-old son. And having a towel like this that I can lay in the sand, shake out when we're done, and know that it is adorable, but also highly functional is gonna be perfect. I have wanted a Turkish towel, and I love the colors of this. I love the fringe. It has the adorable details, but something that me as a mom could use on a regular basis this summer. It's 38 inches by 73 inches. Let's open it, shall we? This is from Slow Tide. It's the Zoe Turkish Beach Towel, and we're gonna open it up. Look how beautiful that is. The retail value on this towel is $50, but do you think I paid $50? No. Spoiler, I didn't. Okay, so that was my box, and I had a lot of fun curating my selections, but let's bring my girls in and you can see the box that they shared. I'm here with my teens. I have my 13-year-old Elsie and my 15-year-old Mila, and they made these selections, and they're gonna tell you why they picked the 3 items each of them got to pick. Were you guys excited when I asked if you wanted to do this with me?
Yes.
We all love fun items. Okay, so Mila's up first. What was your first item you wanted to share?
These earrings. They're from Our Spare Change. I picked these because I love to wear gold jewelry, and they reminded me of the water and are very pretty. These are the I Love Pearl earrings. If I were to buy these on my own, they'd be $60.
My first item was the Fraser Sterling Jelly Claw Clip. The retail value is $24. I picked the claw clip because I have very long hair and I like keeping my hair up, and I also love the color pink.
My second pick was the Thrive Cosmetics waterproof eyeliner. The retail value is $24. I picked this because I love wearing eyeliner, and it is nice to have one that I can wear to the beach or the pool.
My next pick was the NARS Lip Shine in the color Wild Ride. This has a retail value of $32. I picked this because I love lip products, and I already put this on, and goes on so smoothly, and I love how bright the color is.
My final pick was the Nopalera Bosque Mystico perfume. I picked this because I'm still trying to find my perfect scent, and it's the perfect travel size, and instead of paying $30 for it retail price, I can get it in this box to try it out.
My last pick were the Air sunglasses in the style Callisto. And why did I pick these? Summer sun, duh.
Would something like this be a fun gift to receive a subscription to?
Yes, definitely.
Thanks, FabFitFun!
Now that you've seen the quality and the retail value of the items that we picked in our boxes, let me tell you how much it would cost if you bought each box individually. For the items in the box that I selected, the total cost would be $325. For the girls selection, their total cost would be $210. Now, we had the same selection, it's just based on what you pick, and you do see the retail value as you go through and pick your items. Now, if you had the annual subscription, each of these boxes would only be $55. That's less than $10 per full-size item in the box. I know I'm gonna get that value out of my visor, the towel, the glasses. It's a wonderful way to try new brands, try designer items, try something new, and have fun in the process. The crazy thing is the 12 items that were in our 2 boxes weren't even all of the items you could have selected from. Imagine all the goodness that was out there. If you're interested in trying FabFitFun, here's how it works. If you're ready to go all in, I highly recommend the annual membership. It's $219.99. That gets you 4 seasonal boxes, all with the items that you choose. In addition to that, you get exclusive access to sales, you get early shipping, and you get first selection of the items you want in your box. And right now, if you sign up for the annual subscription, you can use my code GAGIFT, that's GAGIFT, to get a free gift worth over $200. Not quite ready to commit for a full year? No problem. You can still save money and get in on the fun. With the seasonal box, it's only $69.99. However, I have a code GA20, that's GA20, where you can save 20% off your first box, making it only $55.99. And whichever you choose, you're gonna love what's inside because you get to pick it. And each box is worth up to $350. Thanks again to FabFitFun for partnering with me. I had so much fun shopping, unboxing, sharing this experience with my daughters, and I'm excited to have all of these items this summer. And thank you for hanging out. I hope this gave you some fun inspo and that you'll check out the FabFitFun details below. Let me know if you order the box and what items you select. I'd love to hear from you.